Have you ever signed up for a streaming service only to realize you're not using it as much as you thought you would? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Lunar subscriptions and how to cancel them, whether you're tired of paying for unused services or simply looking to switch things up. Let's start by understanding what Lunar subscriptions are. They're recurring payments made to access a service or product, often on a monthly or yearly basis. This could be anything from music streaming platforms to fitness apps. While they can be convenient, they can also lead to unnecessary spending if not managed properly. Why cancel a Lunar subscription? There are many reasons why someone might want to cancel a Lunar subscription. Maybe you found a cheaper alternative, realized you don't use the service as much as you thought, or simply want to declutter your digital life. Whatever the reason, knowing how to cancel your subscription is essential. Step-by-step guide to canceling a Lunar subscription. Now, let's get down to business. The exact steps for canceling a Lunar subscription can vary depending on the specific service. However, there are some general guidelines you can follow. Log into your account. The first step is to log into your Lunar subscription account using your credentials. Locate the Settings or Account page. Once you're logged in, look for a Settings, Account, or Profile section. Find the Subscription Management option. Within the Settings page, you should find an option to manage your subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel. Click on the subscription you want to cancel. Follow the cancellation instructions. The platform will provide specific instructions on how to cancel your subscription. This might involve clicking a cancel button, selecting a reason for cancellation, or confirming your decision. Additional tips for canceling Lunar subscriptions. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when canceling your Lunar subscriptions. Check for cancellation fees. Some services may charge a fee for canceling your subscription, especially if you're canceling before the end of your contract period. Review your billing information. Ensure that your billing information is up to date to avoid any issues with refunds or future charges. Consider pausing your subscription. If you're not ready to cancel your subscription completely, some services offer the option to pause it temporarily. Contact customer support if needed. If you're having trouble canceling your subscription, don't hesitate to contact the customer support team for assistance. Canceling your Lunar subscriptions can be a simple process, but it's important to know the steps involved. By following the guidelines we've outlined today, you can easily manage your subscriptions and avoid unnecessary charges. Remember, it's okay to declutter your digital life and choose the services that truly add value to your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.